Solo travel or group travel? It's a debate as old as time itself. Each style has its pros and cons, but which one reigns supreme? Let's break it down. Solo travel. The ultimate journey of self-discovery. You have the freedom to go wherever you want, whenever you want. But group travel isn't without its merits. It's all about shared experiences and making memories with your closest friends. When you travel solo, you're forced out of your comfort zone. You learn to rely on yourself and embrace independence. On the other hand, group travel offers safety in numbers. With a group, you're less vulnerable to potential dangers and can support each other in unfamiliar situations. However, solo travel allows you to blend in more easily and avoid drawing unwanted attention. You can also make quick decisions without the need for group consensus. Yet, in a group, there's a greater chance of someone noticing if something goes wrong and being able to assist. But splitting up from the group can sometimes leave individuals feeling more vulnerable. If you're considering solo travel, here are some tips to make the most of your experience. Research your destination thoroughly and familiarize yourself with local customs and safety precautions. Stay connected with loved ones back home and share your itinerary with someone you trust. Pack light and efficiently to avoid unnecessary stress while moving around. Be open to meeting new people and making spontaneous plans along the way. Trust your instincts and prioritize your safety at all times. Here are some tips for meeting people while traveling solo. Stay in social accommodations like hostels, where you can meet fellow travelers in common areas or during organized activities. Join group tours or excursions to explore popular attractions while mingling with other travelers. Attend local events, festivals, or meetups to connect with residents and immerse yourself in the culture. Utilize social media and travel apps to find like-minded individuals or groups with similar interests. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with locals or fellow travelers in cafes, bars, or public transportation. Consider going on a tour for a balanced solo/group travel experience. 1. Tours provide structure and guidance while still allowing for individual exploration. 2. You'll meet fellow travelers with similar interests and have the opportunity to bond over shared experiences. 3. Tour guides can offer valuable insights into local culture, history, and hidden gems. 4. You'll have the convenience of transportation and logistics taken care of, freeing up time to focus on enjoying the journey. 5. Whether it's a day trip or a multi-day tour, it's a great way to make the most of your solo travel experience while still enjoying the benefits of group travel. So, which is better, solo travel or group travel? Ultimately, it depends on your preferences and what you hope to gain from your travels. Whether you go it alone or with friends, the world is yours to explore. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures.